that?
The keys to your new home.
I'm Rosie Black.
And I'm Jamie Newbold. We're property partners for CR Real Estate.
Here we have a one-of-a-kind, unique family home situated on one of Minster's most sought-after roads where properties are rarely available.
On entering this deceptively spacious property, you will have no idea what lays ahead of you. Come inside, let's have a look around.
With 5 bedrooms and the added bonus of having its own self-contained annex, it's ideal if you're thinking of moving in with parents or maybe like the idea of being able to have an extra income. The home has 2 modern lounge diners, one on the ground floor
And another on the first floor, both with modern fitted kitchens, making the perfect entertaining space and perfect for them lazy days gazing at the sea. With bedrooms on both floors, 2 having the benefit of en suites, and this one here having its own Juliet balcony.
One even has a door onto the rear garden. Both floors have a family bathroom and a utility room. What more could you ask for?
Ah yes, the separate annex. So it's got its own access, lounge, kitchen, family bathroom and 2 bedrooms. The current owners use this space as a holiday let and make a hefty profit all year round.
With all the excitement of what this property has to offer, we nearly didn't mention the good-sized conservatory overlooking the mature rear gardens. Externally, this property offers ample off-road parking to the front for several vehicles. The rear garden is mainly laid to lawn with mature flowers, fruit trees and shrubs. There is also a raised decked area for alfresco dining.
Don't miss out on this truly unique property. Give us a call if you'd like to arrange a viewing.
I promise you won't be disappointed.